Now let's take a look at the component type for chart. So I'm going to click add component over here. And then from my component type dropdown, I'm going to select chart. I have the option to pull in a financial chart or a memorized chart. I'm going to select financial chart here. And then from my component dropdown, I'm going to do my billings by customer. You can change the title of the chart here, and you can also change the style. So you'll see, because I have the line style, it's given me options for your X label, legend, font size, height. Those options are going to change depending on which actual style of chart you choose. And for this particular instance, I'm going to pick the pie. So I can change the font size and the height on that. I'm actually going to make it a little bigger, and I can allow dashboard filtering, or I can say prevent. And of course, you can show it as collapsed if that's something that you wanted to do, where you would just see it as a little line and then you have to open it up. So in my pie chart for my billings by customer, obviously Nighthawk Developers has the chunk of the pie, which makes sense because I use them all the time. So you can barely see what these other guys are doing over here. Grocers Association, Big Apple GC, that's another one that I use actually. But yes, Nighthawk Developers get the chunk of everything. So that tracks. So, obviously you could play around with the different chart styles to pick whichever one makes the most sense for how you want to view it. So that's setting up your charts. You can also select to create these on the fly, these charts on the fly. Another thing that I don't recommend doing. If you wanted to take a look at how to set up these financial graphs, then there is a video on our YouTube, which we go into that in more detail. So you could definitely check that out. So that was the last component type that we had to take a look at. So the next video now is going to just go back and show you how you can apply filters to the dashboard and what they'll do to your actual dashboard. So stay tuned for that.